Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers. First we use blue color. Kids, the next one is black color. And now we use yellow color. The next one is red color. Kids, the last one is green color. Now we use green color. Kids, now we start draw and coloring numbers. First we use blue color and draw the number of 1. Now we use blue color. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. The number of 2. Kids, the next one is 3. Now we draw the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. Now we draw the number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 4. The next one is 5. And now we use black color. Now we use black color and draw the number of 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Kids, now we draw the number of 7. We again use black color and draw 7. Now we draw the number of 7. S-E-V-E-N. We again use black color and now we draw 8. Now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. And now we use yellow color. Kids, now we draw yellow color. Now we draw the number of 9. Now we draw 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we draw 11 and use red color. Now we use red color and draw the number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. And the next one is 12. Now we draw the number of 13. The next one is 14 and now we use green color. Now we use green color. The number of 14. The next one is 15. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.